Hello, my beautiful Ugandans. My name is Navia Rebecca, Miss Tourism Eastern Uganda 2024-2025. Tonight, visit Busowooko with me. Busowooko Waterfalls is located in Jinja district, Eastern Uganda, 21 kilometers away from Jinja city in Busowooko village. As you can see the beautiful view, it's mainly the waterfalls. Tour with me, see the waterfalls, so beautiful. Good for photo shoots. You can do some water rafting. And us who don't know how to swim, we got you covered. We have our flat water tubing whereby you just sit in a tire, then you keep sailing on the water. Busowooko Waterfalls is good for the view, good for the tourism, for local and international tourists around Uganda and within Uganda. Please don't forget that Busowooko is in Eastern Uganda, famous for its beautiful waterfalls around. That's why today I decided to bring to you Busowooko Falls. Don't forget to vote me as Miss Tourism Uganda to take you to such beautiful places like Busowooko Falls, found in Busowooko village in Jinja district. That's only in Eastern Uganda. Thank you.